Hello there, welcome to Tech and Talk. I am Nikhil and today we are going to learn something super important. How to choose a specific information from database using a where rule in SQL. Even if you are new to SQL, don't worry, we will make it very easy. Imagine your database is like a big library and you want to find out only the books about dogs. That's what the where clause help us to do in SQL. It's like a filter that picks out only the information we want. Here, what is the syntax to use the where clause with select query? Select column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, whatever the columns you have, you can give it here from table name. So table name will be your actual table name where condition. So condition here you have to give the filter condition to filter out the record from a table. In this example, suppose you are having an employee details in a table. Now you want to filter out the employee by particular email ID. Then you can apply the condition here in where clause. It will filter out the particular record. So we have a fruit table. So we will use this table to perform the operation with where clause. Okay, let's jump into the simple example. Pretend we have a fruit table and we want to see only the fruits that are apple. So what will be the MySQL query? Select star from fruit where name equal to apple. Let me execute it. Query executed successfully. Now you can see here the records are filtered by the fruit name apple. So we ask SQL show us all the rows where the name is apple. It's like telling the library show me all the books with the word dog in the title. But sometimes we want to get even more specific. Imagine we want an apple that cost less than $1. So here how we do that? You can just add and condition here and price price less than or equal to 1. Here you will get a same result. So we use and to combine the condition. It's like saying show me apple but only if they are cheaper than the dollar. And there you go. You have just learned how to use a where in SQL to choose exactly what you want from database. It's like having a super powered search engine for your data. If this helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to Tech and Talk. And if you have any question or want to learn about something else, leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing and you will become a SQL pro in no time. See you in the next video.